Hey guys, we are at Walking Street again. Hello, lovely room. Oh, what are you eating?
Insect.
What do you got? What do you got for me?
Insect.
What?
Insect.
What is it? Oh my God! We were challenged to eat bugs by Warren. Okay, I've had enough. Thank you. I got a mouthful. Pretty good, guys. Should try eating bugs. Delicious. Check it out. The bug lady! Ah, it's the bug lady! What kind of bugs are these? Crickets?
They have the thing from the night time.
Oh, okay. I think the little... You are the bug lady. So we don't even know what kind of bugs they are. They just sing songs in the nighttime. Oh yeah, it's a cricket.
They get peanut.
No, thank you. I've had enough. I'm full. No, I'm full. I'm full. I'm full. Im lao. Im lao. Im lao. Ah. Bugs are delicious. I'm telling you, they're absolutely delicious. Wow, what kind of fish those are?
This is really good.
Yeah?
They is have put it on the sun one day
Oh, really?
before they have the fry. Deep fry.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. Our friend Barb likes to see all the food, she said. So I have to film some food for Barb back in Ottawa.
And we can eat and taste 2 baht.
Yes, we will have to eat it all for you though, Barb.
Peter.
Barb and Peter.
And Iggy.
And Iggy.
And Paul.
'Food everywhere, guys. Oh, I don't even know what that is. Some kind of squid looking thing. Oh, rung, wait up. So much food, babe. Next time I will come here hungry.
ถามได้นะครับยำอะไรถามได้นะครับยังขายกันอยู่นะจ๊ะฮัลโหลอะไรอีกวะขอบคุณ
Oh, chicken feet. Isip. I work
My favorite is some tap shop.
Ah.
Nè, ở xôm đã đi hòa. Xôm đi lắm đó.
Xin muốn đi lò đi thì không tốt.
Mau đó.
Đi lúc vào xin phần.
Here, babe. There you go. That was easy. Grapes. Oh, nice. Got some grapes, some little nectarines.
The mandarin.
Mandarin?
But going up in Phang near Chiang Rai.
Oh, coconuts. Ah, looks like some Warren style in there.
No. These are expensive,
Is it?
me.
Yeah?
But I have the clothes like that too.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said. Looks like Warren style.
Yeah, yes.
Socks. Guys, if you're coming to Thailand, don't bring any clothes. Buy them here.
50 baht.
150 baht for a pair of shoes. So it's like $6. All these pants, ladies' clothes. Around 200 baht. 100 baht. Look at for a pair of nice stretchies, makeup. Geez, you don't even have to pack a bag when you come to Chiang Rai. Maybe bring your camera. Lots of nice clothes. Beautiful. Swai. Oh, I like that. That is nice.
Oh, there is a big one. This one like that. เนี่ยเองกับป้าอ๋อมีหลายสีนี่
Thankfully, it's starting to die down.
คนละทรงก็เป็นสีใจถูกปะ
Couldn't move earlier. It was just a solid wall of people.
ไม่ได้หวานทำไมทำสวยจังน้องก็ซื้อไว้หันแต่น้องนี่เงียบมีเวลาเงียบมันเตือนเขาเปิดใจที่ใดอ่ะมันเป็นห้าเหลี่ยม
Hey, that looks good on you. I like that. Can I buy that for you? How much?
200.
Ah, let me get that for you.
I look for the white clothes.
Oh, she's not done.
ไม้สวย handmade I like
Very beautiful.
ชุดที่ขายจะได้ป้าเป้สีเทาได้ด้วยสามีไปไหนแล้วนี่3,500.
Oh, some work into that though, isn't there? That is beautiful. Handmade. The lady sitting right here making it. Good price.
จับน้องไว้
น้องคือชอบแต่น้องใส่แล้วมาได้น้องก็จะตุ้ยสะดวกชอบจุ๊บ
Very beautiful. That look good on you, babe.
Mary is Glen.
Oh boy, yeah. A nice wedding dress. Oh, tomorrow. Do you want to go?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, we go tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
We need something to do on the video.
Tomorrow we
get
get
married.
married. This one, okay? Get married.
Yeah, that's nice.
บอกว่าใส่เป็นชุดแต่งงานไปเลยสีขาวอ่ะ I buy for you one VR same. I saw
I
you
look so
have
stupid
one.
in that, so.
I saw you have one. อันนี้เหมือนกันแม่นก็พี่ I saw you have one in the tree. You very nice with the hat.
Yeah, you want to put on?
I like. Looking nice. I like you have like that.
Kind of hippie looking. Matching hats. What that irritating couple that you guys all hate. Ooh, we look good. Yeah, let's get them. I like them. We need them for camping. We need for camping.
We need for camping.
Yeah.
She make from handmade. Look really nice on her shop.
Nice wedding dress.
Nice wedding dress.
Oh, very beautiful, babe. Suai Mac.
โอ้ยนี่เป็นเด็กขาวะนี่ก็5 บาท5 บาทก็ได้ดาว2,000เนี่ยค่ะทำไม่เอาเลยดาวเหลือไม่เยอะบ่เหลือข้างในก็ได้จ้ะไม้ละ40 บาทดาวยืนรอตั้งนานจะได้ปะถุงนี้หนูผมต้องใส่ถุงนี้เยอะอยู่นะ
Clothes and clothes and more clothes.
Bring clothes is a food at home. Yellow office, not open yet.
We're going for a massage, right, Rung?
Massage, if they can. Buy 30 soon. You only get 30.
We're in a traffic jam.
Big bus.
It must be an accident. Maybe there's an accident up ahead. Oh, I know what it is. There's a bunch of phalangs holding everybody up there. Ting tong.
Look my jeans.
Already ripped.
I bought Morgan. Oh no, not Ganja.
That's not really my style, is it? Don't be that irritating guy walking the wrong way. Like I am. Walking the wrong way on Walking Street. Oh yeah, nobody likes that guy. Well, we need to find Rung. Yes. I'm an expert at getting foot massage.
Oh my God! How long time?
Oh, 5 minutes maybe.
And you tell them about 30 or 1 hour?
30 minutes, 70 baht.
I go to my friend shop here, okay?
Okay, I'll be here. See you, babe.